Welcome back to Carolina AM. I am so excited to be in this office today. Where am I? I'm at Carolina Rehab and Physical Medicine with Dr. Craig Strickland. And Craig and I are friends, but I was a patient many years ago, and I believed in this so much, Craig, because what you've done with me has changed my life. I had some physical pain in my shoulder, my left arm, came and told Craig about this, and over the course of months and some homework, all that's gone. And I was so excited to have you here because I wanted to tell people what you've been working with when you had me as a client.
Sure. So one of the things that we had to deal with Greg, which is not uncommon but is very under-addressed, is neural tension, which is basically just like muscles can get short and tight, nerves can too. And it's very rarely addressed appropriately. And with you and some of the things that you do, those things get tight and we had to loosen that up. Before we can lengthen muscles, we have to lengthen the nerve.
Yeah, it was an education for me, and it seemed like every time that I came in here I was talking to another patient about the same thing, how Craig and the staff here help them. But you've seen a lot of folks from all different ages, but everybody from athletes, for folks that may have had an automobile accident, or somebody even we're in a hospitality-driven town here on the Grand Strand. A lot of servers that are holding trays incorrectly,
for sure,
affecting their overall health.
And one thing you mentioned there is we deal with athletes. And Greg, we believe that everybody is an athlete. Life is your athletic event, okay? Whether you're a young football player or basketball player or a grandparent and your athletic event is bending over and picking up a grandchild, all of these people need to be properly assessed and then treated in a way that's going to get them to achieve the goals that they set forth for themselves in their life, to be able to do the things that they want to do with little or no pain.
Okay, and Dr. Strickland just said it. You come in and get assessed, and that's what happened with me. You come in and find exactly what the problem may be, and then find out how often you're going to have to come in, and then again, the important part, doing some of that homework at home.
Oh, for sure. So everybody's an individual, and while in America, patients tend to get cut into pieces. We're only going to look at your shoulder. We're only going to look at your knee or your neck or your back. The fact of the matter is, every single person that comes in here is an individual. They are one you. And so we have to assign or figure out what the issues are and then address them as a unit so that they're able to get better than they would if we just focus as just a shoulder or just a knee or just a low back.
Okay, well, there are a lot of things that you can do in this office. In fact, chiropractic medicine is part of one of those services you provide.
Right.
But other services as well.
For sure. So by license, I am a chiropractor, but we have a full medical staff. We have a physical therapist on staff. We do rehab protocols. We do joint injections. We do some bracing. We do chiropractic adjustments. We do manual therapies. Basically, if it is a joint or muscle issue, we have an approach to take care of it.
Okay, well, don't just take my word for it. Come down and see Dr. Craig Strickland, the entire team here at Carolina Rehab and Physical Medicine. Easy to find right here on 48th Avenue on the Grand Strand. Phone number?
843-449-1000.
And the website?
Carolina Rehab and PhysicalMedicine.com.
Easy to do it. We'll be right back with more of Carolina AM.